How to redeem codes on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can redeem codes on your PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem codes on PS4, it's actually quite simple. If you have a gift card code that you want to redeem while you're purchasing a specific game, it's also very simple to do that, because all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then just open the PlayStation Store over here. Once you open the PlayStation Store, on the left hand side you'll be able to see different sorts of interface, where if you keep scrolling to the bottom you'll find this option known as redeem codes, as you can find it here. So all you have to do is make sure to click on redeem codes option. It will take you to the page where you can simply enter your 12-digit voucher code or prepaid PlayStation card number. After you've entered them, you can just hit the continue button from the bottom and a gift card code will get successfully redeemed. This way you can redeem codes on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.